Rolling.
This would be so much easier if I used my psychic powers to do it.
Hey,
no,
it's...
No, it's not the phone. No. It's not in here.
Again!
No.
My word, there's branches everywhere. You should see it out here. Look at that. It gets windy here. Just Google it already. Just do it.
Power to go? What the fuck is that?
What's going on in this place?
Shut up!
No!
Shut up!
Just do things better. Make things work.
Shut up!
Snag it?
Come on! What are you doing? What are you doing anyway?
Ignoring me.
Why the fuck do you have an
Ignoring.
SQL server? That's
Where?
something you don't need.
Why not?
Right. Just do stuff
Why
like
not
that.
use it?
Yeah.
I always.
Vlog.
Oh! Fluffy guys are funny.
Yes.
Durr. You want to hit the wall again?
What?
Do you want to hit the wall again?
Well, not when I'm cooking.
I'm so seriously disappointed right now. Cook faster,
I will
son.
not suffer for my art if it's banging my head into the wall. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever.
Dangly parts. Had to eat your noodles. I'm going to clown college. I'll see you later. I'm gonna go on this long, dark trek. Arduous trek home in this horrible, dank, urine-soaked weather. Yeah. Okay, see you, man. Oh, it's horrible out. I mean, look at it. Oh, I love Michael Bay. I'll try to make it home. Look at that. Look at that. Try not to let it rain on my camera. Branches everywhere. I mean, look at that. It's insane. Look at that flooding. It looks brighter on the screen. I'm gonna record this truck coming here. Watch the water. This is what I'm recording though. Oh, it takes it ass. Sweet ass time. Pickers. Puss. Anyway. Raining on camera. Good thing it's a Sony. What was I gonna say? I gotta say it quick. Sorry for neglecting vlogs. I'm gonna try and vlog every day. It's not used to doing it. I usually film every day, but not necessarily a vlog. But anyways, gotta get camera to rain down. Somehow I'm supposed to cross the street here. My shoes suck. I'm falling here. They have holes in them. They're old, horrible. I had nothing but foot problems since I've been wearing them. You know, sore feet, stuff like that, pricks. Butter and fuck. Making me swear. This weather. I actually kind of like walking home in this kind of weather. I love weather. I can't figure out how to cross the road. Oh, maybe over there. Yeah, right here looks good. Short too. Short, stocky, generous proportion. Order for me too. Who's a wee lad? I just go sideways now. Look at that. Look how crazy the wind is. It's insane. If you even hear me, it's probably so much wind. I should get closer. Almost there. Here we are. Loosen up. Oh, sweet, sweet home. It's great. Cold out there. Ridiculous, actually. Uh-oh. Get that taken care of before I crap everywhere. Oh, it's so... Oh, you got hair on you. Oh, you got water in the lens. I got water on you. Yeah, I need to clean you up there a bit. You're all dirty. Yeah. I set up my computer a little differently. Sometimes I do this when I'm just sick of sitting at a desk for watching stuff on the internet. There we go. That monitor, I'm not sure if it works, but I'm going to test it out. Hook my laptop up to it and see if that works. Sometimes this monitor tends to be flaky, so we'll find out. If not, I have my old CRT monitor. It's bulky though, very bulky. Yeah, so I have it set up. See all that toys I have set up there? I am such a nerd. I love it. Love it. Yeah. Such a nerd. Star Wars blanket. Oh, sorry to blind you there. Yeah. People just give me stuff, and I take it and I hang it up. Like that, for example. Like that, for example. Like that, for example. That I've had all my life. I literally had that all my life. Same with that. That was given to me too. So was that. I bought that. Anyways. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye! Sad thing is, when I have this set up here, I need to use the TV that's behind it. Right there. You see that? I gotta use that TV. I want to play some Final Fantasy 8 tonight. I want to... You got hair on you! Now you're all foggy. Anyways, I got to move the monitor. I have to put it up on top of the TV right there, and basically play Final Fantasy 8 and have a marathon tonight, starting as soon as I set it up, which is going to be now. So I gotta get that up there. Hook up to my TV. I borrowed a copy off of a friend, and I play it. I haven't played it in years. I loved it. So I'm gonna do that tonight. Anyways, the Magic Television is going to be set up right about now. So it's all set up. Instead of putting the monitor up there, I put it back to where it was before. And you're still foggy. Oh my god, I gotta clean you guys. Like, seriously, this is... I don't know what to clean with. I don't have a proper... Maybe a Q-tip or something? Here, let me get a Q-tip. Let's see here. Let's go to the loo. Josh is thinking of talking to myself. Just around here somewhere. There we go. Oh yeah. Get out of the loo. Close the door. Let's see here. See what I can do here. Well, it's getting better. I don't think I've ever cleaned this lens. Oh yeah, it's looking a lot better. Is that looking better, guys? I mean, it's not a professional lens cleaner. It seems to be a lot better regardless. I didn't know I was supposed to do that. Seems to have worked. Alright, yes, that seems to be pretty good. Well, I'm going to play some Final Fantasy 8 now. Thus begins the marathon. Anyways, enough of this shit.